We're going to try again with this video. Area formulas. So, refresher, right? This is a triangle, a rectangle, a square, parallelogram, trapezoid, and circle. I want to identify some of the variables we're using. So whenever you see a B in the formula, B is for base. If you see a height, or H, sorry, that's for height. And it's the vertical height, not a slant, so straight up and down. W stands for width. S for side. And obviously we know R is radius. We just used that one in our last unit. So we are going to start with number 1. Number 1 is a square. So you know the formula is area is equal to the side squared. In this case, the side is 8.5. So area is going to be equal to about 72.25 feet squared. In number 2, we have a triangle, and area of a triangle is 1/2 the base times the height. So in this case, the area is 1/2 times the base, which is 15, and the vertical height is 21.3. So I'm going to multiply that 15 and 21.3. I'll bring down the 1/2. And I get 319.5 is equal to the area. So half of 319.5 is equal to 159.75 meters squared. In number 3, you have a parallelogram. And notice that the two bases are the same. And that's how we know that one's a parallelogram. So area is equal to base times the height. The bases are the same, so it doesn't matter which one you use. It's the same number. So in this case, 12.9 times the vertical height of 7.1, which means area is about 91.59 inches squared. And then moving on to number 4, the circle. So the area of a circle is equal to pi radius squared. So pi, and in this case, do we have the radius? No, this is a diameter. So that means the radius is equal to 13. So this would not be 26 squared, it would be 13 squared. We got to pay attention to what's given to us. So area is equal to pi times 169. So area is going to be equal to about 530.66 yards squared. Number 5 is a trapezoid. So the area of a trapezoid is 1/2 times the height, which is multiplied to the sum of the two bases. So we're just going to plug in. The 1/2 stays 1/2. The height, again, when we say height, we say the vertical height, no slant whatsoever. So it'd be 16 in this case. And then 19 plus 27. So area will be equal to 1/2 times 16, which is being multiplied to 46. So area is equal to 1/2 times 736. And I'm going to go to the left with the answer. Half of 736 is equal to 368. In this case, centimeters squared. Number 6 is a rectangle. A rectangle is length times width, very similar to parallelogram. The length of this rectangle is 3.7 and the width is 10.5. Just going to multiply those together. 38.85 is what you should get, kilometers squared. Okay, I'm going to have you guys work on 7 through 10. I am going to help you out. 7 is a triangle, right? So the area is 1/2 base times height. Number 8 is a parallelogram, so the area is base times height. Number 9 is a half circle. So I want you to think about that. You don't have a full circle this time, you only have half a circle. But the area for a circle is pi r squared. So if you can figure out your half circle area using a full circle formula. And number 10 is a trapezoid. So area is equal to 1/2 times the height and the sum of the bases. Okay. Let me know if you need help on 7 through 10. And hopefully this video works for you guys.